deal. All right. I'm Eric England with Fiesel Roofing. I'm here at the Eckstein Property. We're going to repair test. Today is November 14th, 2025. It's going to be 66 degrees today. We're at 6300 Battleview Drive. So at the moment, what we have is these skylights going to get replaced. So the shingles around them have been replaced as well. We're going to do a repairability test to make sure that we can competently replace the skylights and make sure that the shingles will also work well. We got a control area here. As you can see, it's marked off. This is about the approximate area that replacing one shingle would affect the rest of the areas. Right now, we've got no creasing anywhere, no granular loss. It's a pretty decent spot. So we're going to come back down here. This is where we're going to do our repair test, just so we're not getting into the flashings of the skylights. What we got here, basic hand tools, hammer and a flat bar. Got our other shingle there. So I'm going to start by trying to do this shingle here that's marked as repair. We're going to start by trying to unseal this shingle. We're going to carefully try and get under there as good as we can. I'm meeting a lot of resistance. So you can see there, just trying to remove the shingle. Alright, so that's good. And I'll just try to come and follow the same area this way. This one up. Make sure it's completely unsealed. There we are. So now we got to do this same shingle so we can get in there and get the nails. We got to get up. This one extends all the way over there. Go. All right. That's unsealed. Alright, so for us to get to the other nail, we got to get up to this one too. So we got to unseal this nail. I'm going to try this to stay in line with the same shingle so we're not doing any extra damage. For us to even get into that shingle, we can see we got a lot of material transfer already. More material transfer. A lot of material transfer there. And I'm not even able to see where my nails are at, so I have to flex these shingles up even more. This nail is stuck in there. You can see that the whole top of the shingle is stuck into this one, and the nail is stuck in there. Also, got the underlayment